How to download or install Limbus Company on Steam, free to download. 1. Download and install Steam. Open your web browser, visit Steam's official website, download the Steam installer, run the installer, complete the installation process. 2. Create or sign in to a Steam account. Launch Steam, click Sign In if you already have an account, select Create a new account if needed, verify your email address, log into Steam. 3. Search for Limbus Company, open Steam, click the Store tab, use the search bar, type Limbus Company, open the game's store page. 4. Verify the game is available in your region. Check the game's Steam page. Confirm it is available in your country. Sign in to the correct Steam account region if necessary. 5. Add Limbus Company to your library. On the game store page, click Play Game or Add to Library. Steam will add the game to your account. Wait for the process to finish. Schuhammer 6. Choose an installation location. Steam will prompt for an install folder. Select your preferred drive. Ensure sufficient free storage space. Confirm the installation path. 7. Start the download. Click Install. Steam will begin downloading the game files. Monitor the download progress. Wait for the installation to complete. 8. Verify download integrity if installation fails. Open your Steam library, right-click Limbus Company, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. Wait for Steam to check the files. 9. Update Steam and Windows. Install any available Steam updates. Open Settings, Windows Update, install pending Windows updates. Restart your computer. Launch Steam again. Nushrp 10. Launch the game. Open Steam. Navigate to your library. Select Limbus Company. Click Play. Allow the game to complete any first-time setup. Enjoy the game. These steps will help you successfully download, install, and launch Limbus Company through Steam on Windows PC.